What the federal HVAC tax credit means. The U.S. government offers a federal tax credit to make it easier and more affordable to switch to energy-efficient heating and cooling. If you install a qualified heat pump or heat pump water heater, you can get back 30% of your total cost, including installation, up to $2,000 per year as a credit on your taxes. Who can get it? You own the home, and it's located in the United States. It's an existing home, not new construction. It's your primary residence or a second home you also live in. The equipment must be new, not used or refurbished. What makes a system qualify? The unit must meet Energy Star standards and fall within the highest efficiency tier defined by the Consortium for Energy Efficiency. Beginning in 2025, the product must also come from a qualified manufacturer and include that manufacturer's PIN, product identification number, on your tax return. Cooper&Hunter is on the IRS list of qualified manufacturers, and their manufacturer PIN is D3M9. This PIN must be entered on IRS Form 5695 when homeowners claim the credit. When it applies, the credit covers qualifying systems installed between January 1st, 2023 and December 31st, 2025. You claim the credit for the year the system was installed, not the year it was purchased. How to claim it? 1. Keep your invoice and the manufacturer's certification statement proving the system meets efficiency requirements. 2. File IRS Form 5695 residential energy credits with your tax return. 3. Starting 2025, include the manufacturer PIN for Cooper&Hunter, that's D3M9. In summary, buy and install an energy-efficient heat pump, keep your paperwork, list the manufacturer PIN, file IRS Form 5695, and pay less in taxes. It's an easy way to save money while upgrading your home's comfort and supporting energy efficiency.